Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So you guys know how much I love applying mascara, and Maybelline has been my favorite brand. But I recently purchased these two mascaras. It's from Wet n Wild, and I thought, why don't I try this and give you a review of how these mascaras were. So let's start with the mascara review now. So I'm going to start with this one. This is the Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. So I'm going to start talking about the packaging. The packaging looks very chic, very different. I mean, I just saw this mascara and I was like, I have to get this. So I love the packaging and it's a nice color. I'm just going to open this now and try it on. Let's see how the wand looks. Oh, okay. So this has a very cool wand. I think Benefit has something like this, the mascara. I'm gonna smells pretty much like how any other mascara would smell. Just gonna try it on. Maybe I'll take a little more product. So I've applied this now. The consistency I think is nice, but I wasn't like quite comfortable with this wand because every time I go apply it, I'm scared like this part would touch my eyelid. So I'm not a big fan of the wand of this mascara, but otherwise I think the mascara is okay, not that bad. I'm excited to try this pink one. So this is the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. I've heard a lot about this mascara and I'm going to try it now. The packaging, as we all know, it's so cool. It's nice and pink. So let's open this. So I'm going to try this mascara on this eye. Okay, I was waiting for this. So I like these kind of wands. So I'm going to try this now. This one's made my lash like really long compared to this one, and it is separating my eyelashes very well, and I think I like this one better than this. So this is a total yes from me, the Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara, and the packaging is also very cool. It's pink, and this I am not that a great fan of. And so that was my review of the Wet n Wild mascara. If you've tried it and if you want me to try any other product, do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I'm on Instagram, so follow me there. It's Leena Gowda Official. I'll put the link down below. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to show you top 5 uses of Vaseline. So as you all know, Vaseline is really good for your skin and it has multiple uses. So the first one is, if you have cracked feet and just apply lots and lots of Vaseline on your feet and wear socks, you get up and you just remove your socks in the morning and you actually see your feet will become like really soft and become really crack free. The second use, if you want a highlighter, like you don't want to use any chemical products, all you got to do is take some Vaseline and apply it on your cheek. So this will give you that natural glow. So as you can see, it gives you a really nice natural glow. Number 3, to avoid your head staining from any hair color, like if you're dyeing your hair, all you need to do is apply some Vaseline on your forehead, and this will prevent the color to stick onto your head. Number 4, to make your perfume last for long, all you got to do is, once you get out of the shower, just apply Vaseline, especially like under your arms and all, and then you wear your perfume. This will make your perfume last for long. Number 5, if you want to remove your makeup, especially like kajal and mascara, just take Vaseline and you can remove your makeup. Your makeup will come out like really quickly. So guys, these were a few uses of Vaseline, and if you know any more uses, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. I will see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So it's summertime now, and you know how badly our skin gets tanned. So today I'm going to make a nice suntan removal face pack, which will be really good for you youngsters out there, even for kids from 12 months to 12 years or even 20 years old. This is a really nice face pack that I'll be doing, and this will remove your skin tan, and all newborn babies, small kids to teenagers, everybody can use this. This is really skin friendly, and these products are all easily available at home. It won't harm your skin, it's chemical free. So let's start with the video. So I've just taken about 2 tablespoons of milk here, raw milk, to which I'm going to add some kesar, about 2 to 3 strands of kesar. So now I'm just going to mix it, and we'll let it stay for about 5 minutes. So the color will come out like a little yellow color, so we'll just wait for that for about 5 minutes. And now I'm just going to take some gram flour and I'm going to put it in this. So now we've mixed the besan, gram flour and milk. Now we'll just add some aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is really good for tan removal. You all can use fresh aloe vera gel, and if you don't have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use a bottle like this, or even the Patanjali one is really good. So now let's mix all these things together. Now I'll apply it on my face. So if it's for kids, let them just stay for about 10 minutes. They'll, feel irritated, and they wouldn't want to stay for that long. And if you're an adult, you can just let it stay for about 15 minutes and let it dry completely, and then you rinse your face. So I have washed my face now, and I can really see my shade becoming one shade lighter, and the tan is kind of gone. So y'all should definitely try this, and it's very simple, good for kids, for teenagers, for every age, and especially for people who have sensitive skin. This is really good for your skin. So try this, let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to hit the like button. Bye guys. Hey guys, I'm back again. Yes, I've been going through all the comments, and y'all have asked me for my hair care routine. So here I am with a few tips, and I'll show you how to take care of your hair. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, my hair is colored. I colored my hair a few months back. It has become a little dry and rough, I've used a few products that make my hair a little better, and I will show you the products now. So the first very important thing is shampoo. So this is the Vela Brilliance. This is like a magic product. It really made my hair so smooth. It's been almost 3 months since I started using this, and trust me guys, it works wonders. So definitely try this one. Guys, use this shampoo at least twice or thrice a week to get really good result. So once you've shampooed your hair, the second very most important thing is conditioner. This is the Vela Brilliance conditioner. This is really good. Take a small amount and apply it on the ends, and don't put it on your scalp. This will really damage your hair. Do not do that. And if you have the time, just take a brush and brush your hair, wait for 5 minutes, and then rinse it. After you've done it with your shampoo and your conditioner, this is a really important product. So this is argan oil. Earlier I used to never apply serum, but now that my hair is colored and it's a bit rough, I use this argan oil. Just take 1 drop of argan oil, put it on your palm, rub it through, and apply it on the ends. Guys, do not put this on your scalp just as your conditioner. And guys, one more very important thing, apply this product when your hair is towel dried. And the next very important thing that you all really need to do is oiling your hair. The oil that I use is coconut oil. You can also use olive oil or castor oil according to your preference. Just take a little bit of oil, heat it a little and massage it through really well. So what I do is I apply oil at night and wash it in the morning. What y'all can do is apply it 2 hours before, wait for 2 hours and then just wash it through. There are so many benefits of oiling your hair. It helps your hair grow, it makes it silky, smooth and makes it really healthy and gives a lot of volume. Guys, use a white tooth comb. This will remove all the knots and will not damage your hair or break your hair. So guys, I do not straighten my hair quite often because yes, I am blessed with straight hair. But if you guys have to straighten your hair or use any curling machine, make sure that you use a heat protecting spray. There are a lot of sprays like L'Oreal or Tresemme. Do use this one because this will lessen the damage that will happen to your hair. Except for these products, it's also important to eat right. Guys, do have almonds and gooseberry added to your diet. This is what I do, and which will really help your hair to grow and make it really strong and healthier. So these were a few tips that I do, which does help my hair to grow a little longer, and now that you can see, it's really shiny and really pretty. So if you have any more tips that will help me, please do let me know and keep liking. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to make a face pack out of my favorite vegetable, and that is okra or ladyfinger. This is my favorite vegetable, and this is really good for your hair, skin and general body. Like if you eat this, it has so many properties. It has vitamin A, C, B, it has protein, magnesium, you can just go on. So this is really good. I know a lot of Indians, we do consume a lot of okra or bhindi. So yeah, but it's also very good for your skin. So today I'm going to make a face pack out of okra. So what I'm going to do is you just wash the vegetable and then you cut these two parts of okra or ladyfinger and then you cut it into half. All you gotta do is blend it. So blend in the grinder and this is what you'll get. So this is the okra paste, and now I'm gonna add yogurt to this. So here I have my okra paste. I'm just gonna add about half a teaspoon of yogurt, like this much. So to this I'll also be adding one vitamin E capsule. It's really good for your hair and skin. Now I'm gonna mix it in well. Now we're gonna apply this to our face. So you apply it now. You will feel a little smooth, slimy and gooey. So I'm just going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I'll wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now, and always remember to wash your face with lukewarm water, especially if you're using okra, because it's slimy and kind of sticky and you might have to wash your face 2 to 3 times. So wash it really well and do this for about once a week. It's really good for your skin, and also eat okra. It's really good for your body. So I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and I will see you next time. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, I'm back again, and today I'm going to show you aqua blue eyes and orange lip video. So let's get started. So first I'm going to conceal my eyes with my MAC concealer in the shade NC42. And now we'll be using this VOV eyeshadow palette. This is the shade that we'll be using.
And now we'll be using this blue shade. And now we'll be applying this lighter shade just on the inner corners to give that sort of a smoky look. And now apply the same blue shade on the outer corners. And now I'll be using this shade to highlight my brows. You can use your fingers if y'all want. And now we'll be using this Maybelline gel liner. Make a really thin line because we'll be using a blue eyeliner on top of this. And now we'll be using this blue eyeliner. It's from Miss Claire's. And now we'll be using the same blue liner on my lower waterline. And now we'll be using this Maybelline mascara. And now I'm done with my eyes. Let's start with the lips now. And now we'll be using this Faces lipstick, which is orangish in color. The shade is Seen It 04. So this is my complete look, guys. I hope you like it, and this is so simple. Definitely try this look. It's quite in this season, and share it with your friends too. So bye guys, see you next time.